Preparing to email 500 customers, but your contact list is a total mess? Blank rows, extra spaces, and jumbled names. It's every office worker's nightmare. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you how to clean up messy customer data in minutes, using 3 powerful and beginner-friendly Excel tricks. Let's jump right in. Let's take a look at our dataset. This file was exported from a website, and as you can see, it's not pretty. We've got extra spaces, jumbled names, and worst of all, blank rows that could break filters or formulas if left unchecked. So, let's start by removing those blank rows the right way. First, select the entire dataset from A1 to C7. Press Ctrl+G to open the Go to dialog box. Click on Special. Then choose Blanks. And hit OK. Excel will instantly highlight all empty cells. Now, right-click on any of the highlighted cells. Click Delete. Choose Entire Row. And then hit OK. Just like that, all blank rows are gone. Your data is tighter, cleaner, and ready for the next step. Now let's fix those extra spaces hiding in the full name and city columns. If you look closely, some entries are misaligned or have double spaces. These can cause real problems when sorting or filtering your data. Here's how to clean them up using Excel's trim function. First, insert a new column next to the full name column. In the first cell of the new column, type =trim. When the function appears, press Tab. Then select the A2 cell. Now, press Enter. Then drag the formula down to clean all the names. Repeat the same process for the city column. Once both columns are cleaned, copy the clean data. Right-click the original columns and choose Paste Values to overwrite them. Finally, delete the helper columns to tidy up your sheet. And there you go. Both names and cities are now perfectly formatted, free from extra spaces or hidden characters. Clean, consistent, and ready to work with. Need to personalize emails or sort by last name? Then splitting full names into first and last names is a must. First, insert 2 new columns beside your full name column, one for first name and one for last name. Now, select the cleaned full name. Go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. In the dialog box, choose Delimited. Then click Next. Since the names are separated by spaces, check the space option. And click Next again. Now, set the destination cell where you want the split names to appear. Make sure it's where you inserted those new columns. Finally, hit Finish. Excel neatly separates the names into first and last name columns. Let's create a full email signature in a single column. Something like John Smith from New York. In a new column, manually type the first example, John Smith from New York. In the next cell, start typing Emily Davis from Los Angeles. As you type, Excel detects the pattern and suggests the remaining entries. Simply press Enter, and just like that, Flash Fill completes the rest automatically. It's quick, dynamic, and perfect for building custom strings without writing complex formulas. And just like that, your contact list is clean, organized, and ready to go. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart Excel tips. Got questions or want a tutorial on sending bulk emails from Excel? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.